watched as he floated away in the basket. And as they did, a little bird flew up into the air and said,
"To thy end thou art sped, not a word to be said. In the river round the bend, there you shall find your end."
The two sisters were terrified and ran back to the palace as quick as they could. When the king returned, they told him that no child had been born. "Well, then it is so," said the king. The sisters were surprised. They thought the king should be very upset, but he was not. Meanwhile, the baby was found by a farmer's wife who was washing clothes in the river.